Good evening, Valparaiso. This is VUTV meteorologist James Ryan with your 7-day updates. So tonight, we are noticing there has been a bit of snow. Unlike last week when a certain Punxsutawney Phil, a certain groundhog, predicted an early spring by not seeing his shadow. This is why we hire meteorologists to predict our weather instead of rodents, because we have had some snow and will continue to do so, and our high today was a very unspring-like 21 degrees. And in fact, we haven't just had some wintry days here, we've had them in all 5 Great Lakes, all the way from Lake Ontario's Buffalo, New York, all the way up to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, thanks to Lake Superior. And as we look through, we definitely see some consistent snow in the 5 different lakes, including our very own Lake Michigan. Now look at this band that's drifted somewhat to our east, because we've got a more northwesterly wind instead of a northerly wind, which would be great for us. But at least Grand Rapids and the rest of southwest Michigan and some of northeastern Indiana is getting some snow. And throughout the region, we're flirting with 15 to 20 degrees or so, and these clouds continue to go overhead. But let's look at the snow totals that will continue. Just because we're not getting much snow earlier doesn't mean we won't get a little bit later, as the wind continues shifting. We get an inch, and further over there, they get about 4 inches. Now, we will have some clearing with some clouds, but that doesn't mean we don't have a chance for snow on Valentine's Day. So your Valentine's Day morning, we will get some snow as well, but it will stay cold. It's not going to be very warm at all, even though we've had a warm December. That hasn't continued that much into January and February. In fact, this 2023 or so, 20s throughout the area is about as warm as we're going to get for the next few days, unfortunately, because after that, it's going to go down to the single digits Saturday morning. However, that doesn't mean that there isn't hope in store. Stay for the 7-day and you'll find out at the end that we will have a hope for 40 degrees at the end of next week. But first, let's talk about tonight. It'll be about 11 degrees with a decorative flurry, not so much that it gets in your way, but enough to make campus and the whole area look beautiful. However, look at that wind, 15 to 20 miles an hour. With that wind chill, you will want to stay inside, have a coat if you have to go outside, but try not to unless it's necessary. But tomorrow, it'll be somewhat warmer, but it will remain quite windy, and we will get a chance for a flurry or two. And now, here's your 7-day forecast. The next few days, it will stay cold all the way through Valentine's Day. Yet, after, we will get a nice warm-up. We'll go to 30, 32, then to the mid-30s, and even into the 40s. We will have some clouds and a chance for snow nearly every day of the week. But it'll warm up and it'll be much more comfortable. Have a beautiful week, everybody. This is James Ryan, signing off.